Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Today let's learn Kannada Gunithaksharas. Let's do the practice. That is, let's learn Gunithaksharas Akara. Okay, let's practice today Akara. Before that, let's revise the Kannada Varnamale. In Kannada Varnamale, we have total 49 letters. Let's start. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ru, E, I, O, O, Au, Aha, A, A, I, E, U, U, Ru, E, I, O, O, Au, Aha. These are Swaragalu. Now let's learn the Vyanjanagalu. K, Kh, G, Gh, Ng, K, Kh, G, Gh, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya, T, Th, D, Dh, N, 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 P, Ph, B, Bh, M, P, Ph, B, Bh, M, Y, R, L, B, Sh, Sh, S, H, L, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. So this was Varnamale. Now let's learn the Kagunitas, that is Akara. Let's start. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. Cha, Cha, Jha, Jha, Nya. Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. 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 Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha. Sa, Ha, La. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La. Now let's learn some words using these Akara letters. Let's start. Ja, na, jana, ja, na, jana. Ra, ga, rag, ra, ga, rag. La, ga, lag, la, ga, lag. Cha, ya, chaya, cha, ya, chaya. Ra, j, raj, ra, j, raj. Na, d, nad, na, d, nad. Let's learn few more words. First word, ka, da, t, ka, da, t, ka, da, t. Ma, ra, t, ma, ra, t, ma, ra, t. Ga, ya, na, ga, ya, na, ga, ya, na, ga, ya, na. Ba, la, ka, balaka, balaka. Ha, ra, t, harat, harat. Na, t, k, natak, natak. Now let's learn the last slide of the today's session. Let's see the first sentence using the Akara letters. Jana, balakana, gayana. Jana, balakana, gayana. Jana, balakana, gayana. Janara, raja, nada, maharaja. Janara, raja, nada, maharaja. Janara, raja, nada, maharaja. So this is the end of the today's session. Please let me know how you felt. Comment in the below. I have made a playlist for all different types of videos, that is learn Kannada daily in 1 minute, learn basic Kannada in 10 days, learn to speak some Kannada words through English, learn to read and understand small Kannada paragraphs, learn to write Kannada letters or alphabets, learn to speak Kannada through English sentences, learn to read Kannada words, learn Kannada grammar, learn Kannada dictation, and few other. Please find all the above links in the description. Subscribe to my Telegram channel Rex Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page Kannada Kalike with Rekha, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, that is Rex Creations. Please find all the above links in the description. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadagalu. Please like and share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. And don't forget to tell me what type of videos are you looking for. Thank you.